What's up, YouTube? My name's Jack Armstrong. They call me Jack Daddy. It is fantastic to see you today. We love Jesus, we love our family, and we love the outdoors, and we like to build things. So come along as we build things, come along as we try them out, come along and I'll show you how you can build them too. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Are y'all ready?
Oh yeah!
In this video, we got part one of this trailer build. We're going to show you how we built this trailer step by step, me and Squirrel. And if you're looking to build one, hopefully this video will help you along the way as well. All right, what's up, YouTube? We're about to build this trailer. We're going to build an 18 foot by a little over 6 foot. And it's going to be a dovetail. And we got a wide open shot right here. We're fixing to get to work. We got Squirrel going to help me do this. And we're going to build it out of 3-inch channel for the main rails, 3-inch channel for the tongue. And we're going to have 1 1/4, 3/16 angle for the runners inside, and then there'll be a treated wood floor on top of that. First step, we're going to be building the outside frame, get it nice and square. Cutting our notch out for our dovetail. So our dovetail is going to be 4 on 12, or it's going to be a 4-inch drop, so it's going to be a 2 on 12. So it's going to be, we're going to get half of it off of one side of the cut, half of it on the other side of the cut. But it's just going to be one triangle right there. I'm gonna cut it out, bend it down. I got our dovetails tacked, 4-inch drop, got everything clamped together for right now. We got it cut off at 18 foot total length. Now we're gonna separate them. We got them back to back to make sure everything was right. We're gonna separate them, put one on that side, one on this side, and start working on the end caps. We took a little drop we had and we traced it on this. This way we'll cut that line and this will fit right inside of our outside channel pieces. Now that we got the end caps put on, what we're doing now is all of our cross braces, and we're cutting a notch. So these will sit under the channel, and then that will allow us to have enough room to get our 2x4 in between this and the top of the channel. And they're all cut. Now the next step is to place them where they go. We're going to take a 2x4 and put it under the edge, and then set these on top of the 2x4 and on the bottom of this C-channel. And we're going to get them welded, at least spot welded up for right now. All right, the next step is to get the tongue on. So the way we're going to do it is I got my channel up here that will make the tongue, and then we've got our tongue right here, and I've grounded some of the paint off on the bottom side and around the edges. Remember, the trailer's upside down, so to avoid having to turn this tongue over, we're just going to do it upside down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount one side first. So I mount that and make sure my angle and all matches up, and then I'll come and mount this side. I'm sure there's better ways to do it. It's just a way that I'm going to do it because it seems like the easiest for me right now. So that's what I'm going to do. And then once I get that welded together, then we'll worry about making sure it's sitting perfectly straight. The next step is to mount our hangers. So what we know is you want 60% of the weight forward of the center line of the axle. So on an 18-foot trailer, that's like 10.8 feet back. But I'm gonna make mine at 10 feet because I know what I'm gonna be hauling most of the time is gonna be kind of front heavy. So I'm gonna
help myself out a little bit and move my axles up just a little bit. You're not talking about a whole lot, so this ain't gonna affect it too much, but we are gonna move ours up just a little bit. So we've got 10 feet right here, and that's gonna be where our center hanger will mount. All right, so we got the tongue welded up like I did. Now we're going to mount it onto the trailer. We're going to make the tongue come off of this thing at about 40 to 42 inches. We're not so concerned that way as much as we are to make sure that your tongue is perfectly square with your axles. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull measurement off of our front axle base and both our front axle base, and we want the measure from that corner to the tip of our tongue to be the exact same as from this corner to the tip of our tongue. All right, we got a tongue where it goes, and now what we've done is we cut off the excess, and then we're bringing these back to stiffen the side. We're gonna weld it all up. That's gonna come all the way back to our hanger, and so basically you're gonna have a 6-inch side right there. You know, that's gonna give us a lot more strength on the trailer and on the tongue. Got it flipped. Now we're fixing to weld everything up on the top side. Now we're cutting these uprights. We're going to have 4 across the front and then all down the side. Have a rail on top, 2-inch in the front, 2-inch square tube in the front, 2-inch channel or 2-inch angle running down the side. We're going to get these welded where they go now. I got our 2-inch tubing. That's going to be for our front bar. And that way we're going to have a little extra. That way our top rail can come into it. And then we'll have a cap the end so we'll be able to wrap something around it, tie it off, whatever we need to do. This will be our front rail right here. We're going to go ahead and get it welded on. We got a few side rails on right now. What we're going to do is put this top rail on. And once we get it tacked in place, we're going to bend it back so it matches our dovetail.
I'm just gonna put the bolts in these this jack here, get it ready. That way whenever we get the tires and all on it, we can set it down on the ground and be able to roll it around.
While Randy finished that up, I'm just gonna put this cross brace right here on the tongue. It'll just help stiffen it up just a little bit more. Squirrel's putting on our leaf springs. We're gonna get this thing set down in the front where we can get our fenders built. All right, we're gonna show you what we're gonna do for the fender. So we want this thing to look as bad to the bone as possible. So it's gonna look kind of like a rock crawler fender sticking out. We got an 1.25 inch pipe, and we bent it, and it comes up and over the wheels. And then we've got it tacked. Right now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We got a piece that matches this just for the other side. We're gonna take our measurements and go tack it up over there, and then we'll plate this with some diamond plate for the top of our fenders. Randy's fixing to cut our tread plate to skin these fenders, and we'll be good to go. All right, so we're gonna do our fenders now. What we got is diamond plate metal, and probably 1/8 inch. And we're skinning the fenders with that. That way these things are gonna be plenty tough enough to walk on. They're gonna look stinking awesome too. Got the sides on, they're welded how they're going to be. Working on the fenders and bending them around, so I'm going to show you how we did it. Of course, this main part right here, nice and flat, square, nothing to it. On the ends, of course, we wanted to bend it around our tubing. So what we did is we made a template out of cardboard. I know some of you sheet metal guys out there are thinking, y'all are a bunch of fools, you don't know what you're doing. I'm going to tell you, this thing looks like a champ. So we made us a template, and we cut that out of our diamond plate. And then we put it in the vise and just kind of worked it around where it needed to work around. And then we put it on there. Now we're fixing to weld it, and it looks stinking awesome. So if you're wondering whether or not you might can make your own fenders, yes, you can, and they're way better than the ones you buy at Tractor Supply. So we're getting these fenders welded up. All right, we're done for day 2. Got our fenders done.
I hope you enjoyed part 1. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel, Jack Daddy Customs, for part 2 coming soon, where we're gonna finish this thing up.